Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to check your brake fluid using a brake fluid tester. Now you can purchase this tool on Amazon or eBay, anywhere on the internet essentially, for only about a couple dollars. Very cheap tool. Now it's very important to actually check or replace your brake fluid every few years because brake fluid actually does absorb moisture. And when it absorbs moisture, it causes corrosion within your braking system, and that is bad. Now how a brake fluid tester is going to be beneficial is it tells you how much moisture using LED indicators is in your braking system. Now, you don't have to be doing a guessing game saying, okay, well, I'm just going to replace it every 2 to 3 years. Now you can just check with this brake fluid tester, and then you can make a judgment call to see if you actually want to replace it or not. Now, if it has about 3 to 4% of water in your brake fluid, this indicator will turn red and it'll tell you that you need to replace it. Now, if it's between green and yellow, which is anything under 3 to 4%, you're still good to be using that brake fluid. Now I'll show you guys how this thing works. All right guys, so here's the tool. There's a button on the top here. It takes one AAA battery, which is right here. And then there's a button on top here that you push, and as you can see, it's green right now. There's 2 probes that are in this area here, and you just dip this into the brake fluid. Now, once you turn this on, and then once you dip it, the light will turn green, yellow to red. Now, once it's in the red zone, which is the 3 to 4%, that's when you actually have to replace it. If it's within yellow, you're still good. So we're going to test this brake fluid right now. So it just turned yellow, so we are still good. So it just turned yellow right now, so it's within the tolerable range. So it does fluctuate a little bit, these tools, but as you can see right now, where it's pretty steady, it's just within the first dot of the yellow. So that means it is got less than 1% of water content. All right guys, just for fun, I filled this up with water, so this should be 100% water because there's no brake fluid in here. And this tester should actually go to the maximum level, which is greater than 4% and all red. Now, I'll show you guys that this actually does work. As you can see, goes to red right away. So this thing does detect water perfectly fine in your brake fluid. So if your brake fluid does go up to this level, it is time to change it for sure. But you don't want to get it up to there. Once it hits the level 3 dot, you should be changing it. There you go guys, that's how you would check your brake fluid using a brake fluid tester. Anyways guys, I hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.